Hello everyone, today we are going to solve SOF Olympiad Class 2 NSO Set A of 2018. So let's see the first segment, which is logical reasoning. Okay, so first question is, study the pattern 1, 2, 3 and tell us the number of balls in pattern 6. So let's see, like here from the first two. Next question, as it is shown here we have 1, then we have 4. So let's write it first. 1, 4, and then 4 and 3, 7. So if we notice about it, then there is a rise of +3 all the time. Okay, then in the pattern thumb there is also +3, which gives us 10. Then in pattern 5 there is a +3, which is 13. And then in pattern 6 there is 16, like +3. So the pattern 6 have 16 balls in it. Next question, dash walks the longest distance and dash walks the shortest distance respectively. So if you see, this is the graph where the kids are walking, like here Nisha is walking through the graph, and then this, then this, and then this, and then we have also this and this. So let's come to the conclusion that which student or which girl covered the longest distance. So the longest distance is covered by Jyoti and the shortest one is covered by Sachi. Okay, now let's see how many circles are there in the given figure. So if we count it, then let's see, there are pair of 2 circles here, like red and yellow. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 and 24. Then we have 3 more, 27. So let's see whether we have any option with 27 or something nearby that. So we have an option which is 28. So we will go with this, because there must be somewhere a circle is missing with our eyes. Yes, this is also a kind of circle. So 28 is the correct option here, option D. So let's see question number 4. How many burgers are there in each group if 4 groups of equal numbers of burgers are formed from the given burgers? So let's make the group first, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now what are the number of groups? 4. So option A is correct here. Which of the following is fourth from the left of T? So it is left and right. So from the left of T, here it is T. So T's left will be from this side, so left in the fourth. So 1, 2, 3, like P is the left fourth from T. Now let's see the science section, which is here in question number 6. Select the plant that can be placed in the same group in which plant X belongs to. So it is a watermelon, pea plant, cotton plant and mint plant. So we can clearly say that this is a shrub plant, and the mint one is in this category, so we will go with option D. Select the seventh question. Select the option that correctly completes the given table. So animal, and then we have their squad sound. So let's see which animal has which kind of sound, like tiger growl, donkey, and Y trumped. So we have to fill X and Y here. So what we can do with the following option is bray and elephant trumpet. Okay, like donkey's bray and elephant's trumpet. Which of the following organs are not protective by rib cage? So lungs and hearts are protected by it, and so far as the not protected one is concerned, so it is brain. Select the odd one out among the following. So ludo, carom, chess, and football. So football is an outdoor game, where chess, carom, and ludo are indoors. Refer to the given figures showing positions, like let's see first, showing positions of the shadow of the pole at the time of X. So X is a time we have given here, 11 a.m. and 5 p.m. So what will be the correct time when the poles have this shadow? Sorry friends. So if we see, then the correct time is option A, like at 11 a.m. and 5 p.m. we have this shadow. Okay, which road sign is not given in the box? So if we see overtaking prohibition, and then we have school ahead, then we have U-turn prohibition and no parking prohibition. So no parking is the correct option, like overtaking and U-turn is given. Now let's see question number 12 here. Identify X in the given flow chart: plant, animal, chemical, both A and B. So cotton and jute. So plant and animal. So what will be the correct option here for X? They are plants. Rohan has come back after playing in the park. He is feeling tired and should have dashed to get instant energy. So what is the correct one here? So bananas, because they are instant energy providers due to the carbohydrates, carbs in it. Shreya filled some water in the glass tumbler as shown. His friends Swati, Sumit, Rati saw this and made following statements. This glass tumbler is half filled and with water. This glass tumbler is half filled with air. There is only water and no air in the glass tumbler. So among which of the them made the correct statement? So if we talk about the correct statements, so Swati and Sumit have one correct. So option D is correct here. Select the option that correctly fills the blanks in the given riddle. Beat, I say and I eat grass, and hay and I give you milk to drink, and baby is called calf. Okay, like it is about, sorry, my baby is called kid, not calf, like here it is kid. Okay, then next one is study the given maps and of the locality and what located east of the post office. So here we have east, west, and all directions mentioned, north, south. And if so far as the post office one is concerned, here it is. And if we talk about the east of it, then it is shopping mall. So option D is correct here. The given figure shows a plant with some labeled part P, Q, R, S. So what are these labeled parts? Are like part P carries food from the dash. So part P is root basically. So roots carry food from dash to all the parts of the plant. So roots carry food from dash to the plant. So part P carries food from the soil or underground, so it is not filled, like it is not correct. So what is it? Like if we see, so part R carries the food from S. Is it correct? No. Part Q carries, like it is steam, food from the R, like leaves. So yes, it is correct, because in the process of photosynthesis, the leaves are responsible for it and making the food for the plants, and at that time the steam and other segments like here shown are responsible for carrying out the food from the leaves to other parts of the plant. Now let's see the 18th question. Which is the smallest planet in our solar system? So Mercury, Venus, Earth and Neptune. So if we see the smallest planet on Earth, so it is Mercury. Venus is the brightest and hottest one. Okay, and also known as Earth's sister. Okay, and Earth is known as blue planet, and also known as the life planet. Okay, and Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun. So keep these details in mind. If you like the session and want to study from us, then please mention in the comment section so that we can contact you for the paid courses. Study the given relationship and select the option which correctly identifies X. So hen, cock, dog and X. So which is correct here? Stable. Okay, then let's see the next question, question number 20. Like which among the following is the hardest mineral? So diamond is the hardest mineral. Which of the following festivals associated with the given pictures? So here the guys are selling the boats. So boat is sold during Onam in the southern parts of India. It is a festival of happiness and joy. Okay, now let's see question number 22. Study Sonu's family tree. This is it. A square represents man and the circle represents woman. Sonu has 2 real sisters and 1 cousin. Which letter in the family tree represents Sonu? So like Sonu has 2 real sisters. Okay, like if we see X, then it is with 2 circles connected with it. So and 1 circle here also which is apart from it. So we can say X is Sonu. Option C. Dash cannot be obtained from the sources from which object X is obtained. So here it is object X, it is made of rubber. So which object cannot be obtained from the source here? So if we see, gloves are made from the leather. Okay, and this rubber is also obtained from isoprene, a plant product. It is also like all the 3 are plant products or man-made products which are obtained from the plants. Refer to the given pictures. Is the boy following safety rules? So let's see. The roof is open and he don't have any guidance or observation of the elderly parent. So is it correct, or is he doing right? So if we see, then it is no, because he is flying a cat on the terrace without the railings. It is not correct. 25th question. Which of the following body parts is not present in pair? So if we see, hands and feet are present in pairs. Nose have also two nostrils. Ears have two nostrils. So the correct one is nose. Option D. Which of the following represents growth in living things? A get bead increase in size when put in water. A balloon increase in size when inflated. Money plant spreading on wall. None of these. So the growth in living things, so none of these is a living one except money plant. So option C is correct here. 27th question. Refer to the following given flow chart. Select the option which is correctly identifies the animal X. So lay eggs, source of leather, wild limbless animal, and leaves and holes and wrinkles on ground. So if we see, then we have only two animals which have source of leather, or most probably the source of leather. So we can go with crocodile and snake. Then if it is about limbless and also about holes and wrinkles, so crocodile doesn't live in holes and wrinkles, so the only option which we can go with is option C. 28th question. Select the option that will complete the word in the given statements. Our body has a framework of bones called a skeleton system. So SKELTON. So this one is correct. Which of the following plants is used to make paper? Bamboo pulp is used for making paper. Okay, then let's get back to next question. 30th question. Which of the following is placed incorrectly in the given flow chart? Food, so roughage and green beans. Bodybuilding, which is milk. Protective, butter, and energy giving, potato. So which is incorrect as per the given flow chart? So if we talk about it, the protective butter is incorrect. Okay, because the protective foods must include green vegetables in it, and so far as the butter is concerned, it is a fat, has highest percentage of fat and more energy giver, but they are not the protective tendency, or they are not a part of protective food. Now let's see the final segment, which is achiever section. And 31st question. 4 different professionals are hidden in the given puzzle. Solve the puzzle and select the professionals who is not hidden in the puzzle. So a person who makes clay pots, so what that person is called? Then a person who stitches cloths. So if we want to begin it like TA, here we can fill it TAILOR. So first one is filled. Person who sells medicine, so chemist. So if we see CHE, is chemist mentioned here? So if we see, then we will find that chemist is not mentioned. None of the letters have this kind of formations. Okay, so we can't fill it anywhere. None of the word grid is ending up with T and a starting letter apart from the starting letter. So we can easily say that option D is correct. Study the given diagram and select the correct option regarding XYZ. So head louse, mosquito and sparrow. So animals with 6 legs. So head louse has, mosquitoes has 6 legs, but sparrow and then Y. So Y also has 6 legs, and then animal with wings. So Z has a sparrow. So let's see that is it correct. So yes, it is correct, friends. So option A is correct. Now let's see the 33rd question. Study the given flowchart, identify X, Y, Z and select the correct option. Means of transport, yes. Moves on water, yes. So means of transport can be ship here in these two. Then we have X. So X could be a car, ferry, boat. So ship and boat. So we can go with boat here for X, which is only in option C. Okay, and then if we talk about Y1, then moves on water, then no, and then we have like run on a special tracks. So if it is like tracks, so tracks are basically designed for bikes and also aeroplanes also. Like if we talk about the Z1, so which one is correct? So if we talk about the thing, then the correct option is C, not A. Okay, let's see the 34th question. Okay, which of the following groups consists all modified edible animals? Edible steams, friends, not animals. So edible steams. So if we see, then this is sugar cane and this is ginger, and then we have potato here, brinjal, carrot and ginger, then pomegranate, radish and sweet beetroot, then tomato, turnip and cabbage. So tell me which is has edible steam. If you are unaware of the steam segment, then we will let you know in our classes. Like the ginger and potatoes are also a part of steam of a plant, not the root. So this option B is correct here. Now let's see the final question of the segment and this paper. Which of the following processes in the given figures of water cycle are reasonable for drying and wet clothes? So which one is responsible here? So if we see here, evaporation is done by the process P. So option C is correct here, because during this evaporation process our clothes dry. So in this way we have solved the paper successfully. If you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it and hit the bell icon also. Okay, so that you will get more videos of the Olympiad question paper explanation on regular interval. And also mention your name if you want to pursue in our paid courses. Thank you.